We would like to thank you for choosing the PVI XP Modular Ramp System for your home or business accessibility needs. The PVI XP Modular Ramp System has been featured on the world's greatest television show and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. Today we're going to explain how to set up your modular ramp system in just a short while. While every system is different, we are going to walk you through the steps that almost every modular ramp system will have. If at any time you have a question, feel free to refer to your owner's manual or call PVI for detailed answers. You will learn tips for laying out, setting up, and assembling the most common features of the modular ramp system for optimal performance. Lastly, we will show you how to inspect your installation and the areas you will need to maintain to keep your ramp in peak operational condition for years to come. Pre-assembly. Once you receive your modular XP system, find the owner's manual, read it thoroughly, and place it in an accessible location, as you may need to refer to it at various points during the installation. Note, PVI XP modular ramp systems are designed to follow ADA guidelines regarding slope or angle of the ramp, size and shape requirements, as well as handrail design. PVI recommends that you follow ADA guidelines to create a safe environment that anyone can use. Next, find the parts list and start locating the parts listed within your packages. The packages are divided into platform components and ramp components. Remember, your system will be different than the one we are using today. Yours may have more components or it may have less. Here's a tip. The handrails are wrapped to prevent damage. Use extra caution when opening these parts as to not damage the powder-coated finish. Do not use a knife to open. Unpack and lay out all of your parts and be sure to check them off your parts list. If you are missing any parts, contact PVI immediately so we can help locate them. After you have opened all packaging, it's time to start setting up the system as it will eventually look once assembled. Be sure to leave enough room in between sections so you can work around them. Lay out each major component, platform, ramp rails, and legs as it was drafted in the original drawing. Platform assembly. PVI recommends the use of a flat surface for all assembly. Sawhorses are very helpful if available. Place the platform sections on sawhorses. A. Attaching platform handrail. The platform handrail can be assembled in many different configurations. Lay out handrail sections against platform the way it will be configured. Line up the hole in the handrail platform post with the cage nuts in the platform. Run the supplied 5/16 by 3/4 inch flange head bolts through the holes and tighten down using an extended ratchet. Repeat this for all handrail. In corners where handrails meet, attach a post corner bracket. Center the post corner bracket in each side of the platform post and attach with self-tapping screw. Go back over installed handrail to be sure all are tightened down. B. Installing legs. Determine best location for legs that gives the platform maximum support and is clear of any obstacles. Place the leg attachment channel over the handrail post and align the holes. Insert 5/16 by 3 1/4 hex bolts through slots in leg channel and attach with washer and lock nut. To set the platform height, measure from the bottom of the leg to the platform surface. Loosen self-lock nuts to adjust and then tighten down. Repeat steps until all legs for platform are installed. Place assembled platform in required location. C. Installing ramp attachment clips. Wherever a ramp enters or exits a platform, a ramp attachment clip is required. Center clip in the openings ramps will be located. Attach to platform with self-tapping screws. Ramp assembly. Lay out sections of ramps according to the configuration. A. Frame splices. If ramp is going to be connected to another ramp section, attach the two or more sections together using the 2x4 frame splice. Attach splice to one of the ramp sections using the supplied 5/16 by 3/4 carriage bolts. Insert bolts into the square holes of the frame rail and through the frame splice. Place the 5/16 flat washer and 5/16 self-lock nut on the outside edge of the ramp sections and tighten down. Position the next ramp section and repeat these steps. B. Attaching ramp handrail. It's time to attach the handrail and legs to your ramp sections. Ramp handrail now comes pre-assembled. Lay out ramp handrail assembly at the locations they will be attached. Note, entrance ramp section will require a left and right entrance handrail assembly at the bottom location. Attach posts to ramp with 5/16 by 1 carriage bolt, washer, and jam nut on opposite side. Attach both bottom holes first and press down on posts to line up top hole. Note, once you have installed a double post handrail assembly, you will need to place a splice into the end of the top handrail tube. With the next single post handrail assembly, line up top tube over the splice and then attach single post handrail assemblies in the same way. Splicing ramp handrail. To connect the bottom tubes together, nest a splice in one tube and gently slide the tubes together with notches lining up. Tighten down with Allen wrench and gently rotate notches down. Next, insert a handrail splice into the tubes at the end of the ramp tubes. Attach end loops and tighten down handrail splices. Go back and tighten down all posts. Attaching upper T. Place upper T at top section of each run of ramp. Attach with self-tapping screws in each corner of upper T. Place ramp into position. With the ramp run completely assembled, position ramps at their required locations. Where ramps attach to platforms, place ends of ramp on ramp attachment clips. Make sure ramp is placed snug against landing surface. Set supplied level on platform and adjust leg heights so that all 4 sides are level. Tighten down platform legs. Attaching legs to ramp. Next, attach legs at locations where jam nuts are on ramp posts. Place washer in between jam nut and leg with the washer and lock nut on opposite side of leg. Adjust legs down to ground and tighten down lock nuts. Repeat steps for remaining legs. Review. Once you have the system in place, it is time to inspect your new system. Go over all bolts and check to make sure none were left loose. Walk up and down the system and make sure that the legs are touching and stable. Ensure all handrails feel solid and stable. Check that the door at the top of the system can function properly. While the system is designed to be maintenance-free, we do recommend an inspection of all bolts, pavers, legs, and handrail splices every 3 to 6 months. Also, be sure to check the platform with a bubble level to make sure there has been no settling of the system. If you do find any maintenance needs, be sure to fix right away before it is used again. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about your Modular XP system. We know you will be extremely satisfied with your product. Thank you again for choosing a PVI product proudly created by hardworking Americans in Fairbury, Nebraska. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to contact us at 1-800-554-7267 or visit us at www.pviramps.com.